Hello, this is Ray. I have just bought this new TEFAL Pro Express Ultimate Steam Iron. I also bought ironing board covers to go with my ironing board back there. Here we go. Whoa, look at that. Wow. So it actually, when you lift it, it doesn't actually have glue. It just box tabs. How cool is that? Whoa, here is the new iron. And it's upside down for some reason. Why would they do that? Okay. You know what I like about this TEFAL one compared to the Philips one is this base here, because you can then stand it up like that. Whereas the Philips one version of this, you can't do it. Just remove the phone. It looks like, there's the power cable. That was pretty simple. That was the quickest unboxing of, I've never really unboxed an iron before, but I mean, that's cool. Actually, oh wow. You can actually put the hose in here like that. That's so cool. And there's the calc dispenser. And then that's where all the calcium goes on here. You have this button here. So here's the button. And that pushes. So you hold down, push, let go, retract. And that's how you're supposed to use it. And then you can lock it in like that. That is cool. And then here, this is where you fill the water here. So you just pull it out. That's how you want. You pull it out and then you put the water in here. That's it. All right, I'm gonna give this baby a go. But before I do, let's undo these things. These are from Spotlight. So this one, it's extra thick and scorch resistant. That's pretty good scorch resistance. Move this. Pull this out. Wow, and that's it. That's the ironing board cover. This ironing board felt underlay. Let's have a look at that. The girl in Target said, "Do you really want this as well?" And I'm like, I like cushioning, so have a look. Ooh. So this is the ironing board felt underlay. Yeah. So let's put this on the ironing board, shall we? This is so disgusting. So it's important to change your ironing board cover as much as possible. Here is the new. Ooh. Here's the new cover. I'm gonna put the new cover on. Oh, it's got Velcro. So I'm gonna remove the Velcro and we're gonna chuck it on. Little drawer, and I have to pull it. It fits snugly. Let's put the Velcro on. I bet you this is gonna all smooth out when I start ironing. Wow, that's what this base is for here. That is cool. The end. I've never known why that was there. Now I know why. It's for a steam iron. Okay, so I'm gonna lock it. It's all locked. Plug this in. Okay, it comes with instructions. Let's just check this first. You should always read the fine print and FAQs, right? They have to legally do that. Is that why they do that? This appliance is not intended. So people who have reduced mental capabilities can't use this iron. Well, the rest is in here. You can read that yourself. What's this? So I need to fill this first. Yeah, looks about right. Oh, that's it. One button. Ooh, ooh, it did something. It blinks, it means that it's not ready. Oh, it's making a noise. This is pretty cool. And when it stops blinking and the normal light is just stable, it means that it's ready. And it tells you how to iron. And it, you have to see this. This is how to iron, but this is what you're not supposed to do. You're not supposed to iron on the person. Just letting you know that. You can change between them like this by pressing the mode button. And there's normal. That's cool. All right, so apparently the steam here is amazing. Let's have a look. So I'm just gonna press this. Whoa. That is cool. All right, let's iron a shirt now, shall we? Let's iron one of my rod and gun shirts. Whoa. That's both sides done already. That's amazing. That is cool. I only have to do the other side because It's done already. That's amazing. Let's do the collar. You know, see, look how raggedy this collar is. Here we go. What? That's like, that is cool. That is so cool. All right, I'm gonna try this now using before and after, okay? Here we go. This is my rod and gun shirt. And I'm gonna quickly iron it. I'm gonna see how long it takes. So here we go. So that took 2.5 minutes, and that is amazing. That is like showroom quality. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this unboxing sort of review of the TEFAL iron and new ironing board I got. Yeah, go get it. God bless.